look, the pain, the agony, the atrocities that Wontumi and NPP government has caused Ghanaians, you know. Time niwa ombetuma train. I agree. That's why I'm calling on Attorney General Dr. Dominic Ayine. At least speed the bill or the back one. He should gather the energy more.
All right.
And fast track things for Ghanaians to see. Because prosecution, we cannot wait for it. Yet to me, the Christmas, and we say, yeah, need to one for nema. We cannot. At least one or two people must have their Christmas sentence. Because say we can say verdict of 2024. I show.
Yeah.
Yes. We must show the Ghanaian people that the verdict of 2024 elections, you know, wasn't for a joke. It was for a reason.
Okay.
The verdict has proven that people who came to destroy the forest reserve, to destroy our water bodies, to undermine the Ghanaian people, no, Emra no more the pepepe.
Okay.
But no beyond doing say, oh, it's as usual, it's business as usual. I didn't the Bibiansi. Me can say 2028 by 7 December 2028. If we did not prosecute and sentence people on corruption, the bad thing they came and did this country, make Rizugan. Who said me to read Usana TV, Tsunami Kasa Asreme.
Oh, that's right. They said they meet me as
I have said it, and I won't.
All right. So, Mameko Capsule Hodumuna, yeah, addressing some of these issues. First of all, our reaction to the demonstration of Moye, especially with the two girls and a guy back on the coach and Massa Red.
JB.
No, yeah.
I mean, Chia Malam Hashim or what?
Okay.
Sisia Malam Moshe, Malam, good morning. Bijili is so way. Yeah, Yamin Kaho. Oje, me asamba kopena me catch NPP penny for the show.
NPP penny for?
Yes, the likes of Akufo, Yawa Safma for Hackman Owusu-Agyman, Dr. Kwame Addo, Aaron Michael Quay.
Dr. Richard Annan,
and the likes.
Yeah, Isaac Senum, yeah.
Womontenase. Now, the current leadership of the party, no tenase. Now, pumping yansa ngu mutrim. Maybe no.
Okay.
Then next issue. No?
Yeah, next issue. No.
Galamsey issue. No?
Yeah.
8 years, na chick Captain Smart. No Galamsey. But moment me and chi obi a oye Galamsey.
Yechi
me se me kasa
Galamsey wasem. But yanchi obi a oye Galamsey.
Anye no hwe. And I'm so my honorable a free year are you then account Galamsey.
A free year you, yeah.
As one of account Galamsey. What's the nyai?
Yeah, very good.
JB Galamsey no so wo hosisi ano abura ban we so.
How?
Oh, chief. Yeah, if you Western region about
abura ban so.
Honorable Mavis Kukua Bisiu Boateng,
yeah.
a Hunter West MP,
a member of parliament, yeah.
Ono any Honorable Emmanuel Amakufibua Elembele MP, Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. 2. Minerals Commission CEO Isaac Tando. Kabori,
yeah.
Communications Officer
Mahmoud Kabori.
Emma, Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. Mr. Frank Osei Pedro.
Okay.
National Coordinator Emma Cooperative Mining. Womotna and Cobra and so for 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yes. No more to Kudum. Womani soldier for.
Wow. 3 hours.
Womotna and so 3 hours. Womotna Bontonim Efan so sa don shede pore miensa. Esu amamu asu ye no se ye kova ya nkeche de si woni office no. Mavis Kukua Bisiu, a Hunter West MP. Nibufu Yama ye Friday show no. Or can say Sankono or your defense minister. And can one shot on the CBO Bemano. And can no thing.
I see.
Cooperative mining, Penia Odano said the same thing. Minerals Commission, Penia Odano said the same thing. Do you know the problem now?
I mean, what kind of idea? Oh, we not kind of. I'm supposed to go to
Mona Mukuta to me.
Yes, I mean.
What the problem? Oh,
David.
Yet, Chim Crawford quiet to be prosecuted. Jamie, eh? Galamsey fight the Attorney General Susia. Many you can say on pay speed, the Minoyan Yamantem, or no Yandis in it won't be canina. Ayine, Anna.
Yes, Ayine.
Or a fine lawyer, or a super fantastic law lecturer.
Law lecturer.
Ha! Bisobia watcher na dia law school da. Wa being so chawad. One call law school na or chere wo mo no. The man is a fantastic lecturer. But the prosecutional skills.
Me
wo trouble kakra wo.
I see.
Hwe Galamsey na ye ni nyina no. Ye hawni na ye nsuo ene kwaye. Ensuo ne kwaye no so time na Akufo Addo ye mmara se. Ye nkoye mining e wo kwaye no mu no. No onye MP.
No MP, or no your lawyer.
Okay. No I am lawyer. Gana for munche me you. Time na Nanado edem mrane ba se. Yenye Galamsey I was just 100 meters away from Nsuo.
Nsuo, yeah.
Na ye kwaye na ye jato onyina no so yetimi kom ekoye Galamsey essay forest no essay Nsuo no na ye ni no we he. No parliament.
No parliament. No Ghana.
Parliamentary Select Committee on mindset. Dabi committee no constitution and
constitutional review committee.
Dabi Parliamentary Select Committee on BBB constitution.
Okay.
There's a select committee which I do their lawyer phone kwana.
Okay.
Sana na do dem rade by.
Yeah, sure.
So mumbo bohu.
Yeah.
No mum pass it.
Yes.
No way.
No, that's the MP.
Very good. No a ranking member.
Yeah, sure.
Or the Constitutional Committee of Parliament. His Excellency the President, yet Abamanuma obeyi wu as Attorney General no. Or say oba samrana nanado deba say yenye mining na we kwayem.
Yeah.
Na yenye mining yen 2 gold so 100 meters just 100 meters away
from
Yensuo no. But was President Mahama kaso oba samrana obe repeal mwa.
Yes, also
very good. Yes, I feel on metro too. Be a one who be on my area. I don't know that Attorney General table so.
I will give you an answer.
Don't give me an answer. You are not Attorney General. Because one of your questions are maybe no. Say council.
If you want to be the Attorney General right now,
we can give you the mandate for you to be the Attorney General.
I am not Attorney General.
Okay.
And tell them I mean we must say.
Okay.
One now cover Attorney General Beshimu.
No.
Enti samra na yese president say yen repeal. Na yen 100 meters no
away from the
yen yen half a kilometer no. And then that the table so. At the hodging. Minu ye kasa onye ntem no prosecute o nkrofo nanka ye ebedu Christmas ontin phobia ntum. May catch na wonne before the end of the year. One of the between natum.
So watch chema wutu.
Number 1, senior, we are Attorney General. Yeah. Now we catch them and say, Obi or handle national security sika. Your man official krata say be account we. Na ye we. Fesika kwa for. Which or no? Kwabena Dubai.
Yeah.
Now why a press conference? Whoso we mu why a press conference? Whoso we mu why a press conference? Yeah, the press conference. And it be chini patuma on. Anka Marche Radianim, Debbie Marche Radianim, Honorable Gabby Father, Taman Kobe, Deputy Minister of Local Government and Rural Development, Jáil Kufotamin. Can this Jail? One will say, So we lawyer, we jina bontin kasa bibiri tintin tia.
Yeah.
In somebody be wa wo court wontumi fa ko.
Sure.
Say ya me no kase number 1. Even Kwabena Agyapong case no the court say akyekyere ne nsa.
I didn't say.
Ono wontumi nkasa yentwa so. Ono so wontumi nkasa yen court. Afa wo de akwahye legal vacation. Because any panankasa odi sa abone na nkasa no. Ni di no ho. What Tata Kwabena Agyapong no problem. Nana bi we the sitting president before I hear to Ababa no or addressing Ghana for no.
Yeah, he said that.
Or can say Nana bi obey.
Also be prosecuted.
Enjoy.
On the Namho.
8 months ni. Nana bi obey.
On the Namho.
What is somebody telling me? Look, Aban we are not careful. We have a very fine, fantastic law lecturer. But Aban we are not careful. Attorney General way. Obama binding says form. Yen can kre. Because Galamsey the yachinko for kwa. What him says say Abeno can say. Minerals Commission, Lands and Natural Resources, cooperative mining. Aho wana yachi womo no. Wo mo ye Galamsey no mo chi womo a. Eh ye nash.
Oh how?
Oh, massa.
Yachi wani Jáil.
Oh, me say womo chi womo wi a. Ese se wo de womo kɔ baabi.
Yes.
Eh ye nash.
Na kromadeko.
How? You have an attorney general who is telling you come and negotiate with me. Do you negotiate with the law?
No. It doesn't make any sense.
Me, I am appealing to the president. November reshuffle. That's what Ayine. I'm on the ministry for. Because when Timmy can't tell me say we are attorney general. Now, and conform negotiate. Until Nanabi or negotiate saying. Nanabi on negotiate saying. NAPO on negotiate saying. Wontumi on negotiate saying. Osesibe saying on negotiate here.
Give to a worry.
Mo negotiate saying.
Victor Kusibuate.
Name them. When we don't know, when we negotiate saying. So when you read an attorney general and you want people to come to you and negotiate, you don't sit on national television to announce this.
Yeah, because Nyoko we are banche.
What is already NDC for Nankasa? A fan trust no.
Oh yes, that Mama. I mean,
NDC for Nankasa, a fan trust no.
Sure, that's true. That's true.
It is a who negotiate. Me negotiate. Who negotiate then? Then attorney general all negotiate with them. Anybody yes with disika. President say me ba me prosecute you. It is say as an anabi ekono to me on the attorney general negotiate here. Asana John Dramani Mahama case be prosecuted no. Na no akọ say. It's the president try and na say wadada e. Wa bro what attorney general on no na betimi aye say adwuma no.
Yeah.
Na won kan no kora nkyere Ghana for no. Nipa no sa wo kwache no. JB sa mechewo. Na me se waton akoko. Waton odwan. Waton nentwie. Na se obi odabo ayira. Eni kwa sa me de be hyewo.
Yeah, that's true.
Even no training na ye moa.
Yeah.
And say aboa bi ayira ye no. E de be hyewo.
Yeah.
Me attorney general we there. Well.
Okay. General Cap. So just a minute now. From your end.
I respect the opinion of Minia Penny Captain.
But as Parliamentary Select Committee on Constitution and Legal Affairs.
Okay.
That's Felix Enimu Ape with Tróuble.
Yes.
The short man with the small
leg. Me respecting the opinion.
Okay.
That's his opinion. And that's okay. Because we're Ghana Nimapa. And if anything, I saw the way he fought. He stood on his grounds, not fighting for NDC as a party, fighting for the Ghanaian people, citizens. Say yes, you Galamsey no SMI. He fought it openly, and everybody saw it, and that is very good of him. And I believe that history will forever, reward him and remember him.
Where?
You, the fight you did on Galamsey. But the person who say, your hope on Attorney General, I want to assure you that Dr. Dominic Ayine will not fail and cannot fail. It's not for nothing, say, national television. So, add me integrity at who say, a few way, now people are not sent to court for prosecution has not taken place. For people to be sentenced, now a best 4 years, we have a draw. Mint Net TV so ana
maybe asama wo kan ye ne timi so wa wo keka wo ye nkwasi ana ntatre
me kan history
maybe me yam wa wo kan ye ne timi so
no problem
enti wo pesa wo kire say ye was September up to 31st December next year ntimi Jáil obi a wo se yenye den
2025 Jáil obi a I will be disappointed, but 4 years, from now up to 2028.
Why would you wait till the 4 years?
Now I'm saying that. Me say, now up to 7 December 2028, if people are not prosecuted and jailed, you will not see me doing open, communication or whatsoever because I have conscience.
Okay.
It is a out way. So me catch us we are mobile phone 27. Na some do court. Na mobile phone 27 now we are in suit no more than am I.
Oh, say obua.
Okay.
Na me pese wo hu say and there is no way a man na ye kan ye boa. Let me tell you, the determination of NDC government and President Mahama to prosecute and jail people of wrongdoing, is palpable.
I see. I see.
A palpable.
Munjeli Galamsey 44. Munjeli Galamsey 44. Mami had it. Jáil 4. When him said, there's this army officer, a very fantastic man. Your friend Kanabua.
Yeah.
Only the day him say, or she say, one more be prosecuting and Akufo Galamsey. Or no as army officer were risking a life with men. Akwache China for it mean yakukudro. Ama obi hune office. Ayede amano. Et we kokoto papa nanim. Say or panacho no sika gu bag mu.
Really?
Me na me catcho. So je ni no some bia ayobi fofran ko jisika no. I can show you the video.
Wow.
Say so je ni no oyobi fofra nko be jisika no. Can I salute you. Wan jisika no. Why report? Yes, there ya chokata ko Attorney General's office for advice. We want to deal with Galamsey, such an issue at the hop.
The Attorney General's delay in prosecuting issues are SCC pain. I mean, in Nanado Danko Akufo Addo's governments. And no, some of them trigger the recent demonstrations at El Kosi. Kokofofi say delay nature. Inti Galamsey no koso aban we mu. Aban was also did say Galamsey no started in the elsewhere administration, that is the Nanado Danko Akufo Addo time. Now, so the issue is what is DNA preventing the Attorney General from prosecuting those who were involved in Galamsey? Any or more what is really happening the fight against Galamsey, and even the law that repeals the illegal mining act now. Any one of those things then we talk about the illegal mining proper plus or more Galamsey. But one quick video, Minister Producer I ready Yenika and most video just to refresh our minds and to know exactly near my course when demonstration Mrantia no won't cry hand museno. Na Yenika enti near a mano crack it right now, Modo Kofa or some call demonstration. Yenika enti omo. Yakoba that videos were on my best and swabo.
Demonstration. I don't hear. Why have you done the demonstration? Why have you done the demonstration? I don't hear. Fine. You don't have a reason. Yes. You don't have a reason for joining the demonstration. I don't hear. You don't have a reason for joining the demonstration. Demonstration? Yeah, I'm not going to say I'm a demonstration. I'm going to say I'm a meeting. I'm going to say I'm a demonstration. I'm going to say I'm a demonstration. So I'm going to say I'm a demonstration. Why have you done the demonstration? will join the demonstration? Fine. You have a reason? Yes. You have a reason for joining the demonstration?
I don't hear.
You have a reason for joining the demonstration?
Demonstration? Yeah, I'm going to buy a man to say you're a demonstration. I'm going to see a baby. You're going to know what the end in the morning. You know that you're a demonstration. So I'll be saying, no, they're back.
Why have you joined the demonstration? Why have you joined the demonstration? Fine.
Well, Father, I make a celebrity. The person catch up and say, we could have Kulamino. We could have evidences. And to be young, you man, yeah. To Mr. Said maybe or not say, yeah, I'm my boss to say, Musa, which I said now, who that be sad? Well, I don't pay your fine, yeah. I don't drink to Yana. Why? I don't drink to Yana, so I go. Ah, what I don't know, they go. Power Richa. And yeah, then I'm in it. I could try myself. Power Richa, could try myself. Blood red. Hey, now I don't want to do two ways. They say I am wow. I better now I protest because I'm an anti 1907. I don't know who say, oh, yeah, faith. Yeah, faith. I'm not a job. The boy said, the boy want to. Where NPP near? I've got NPP for a protest. Where NPP near? Well, we are NPP near. That's what I'm called by this. We are NPP near.
So, Enra demonstrators to be there. But I was a coach and say, yeah, brown red, and not the board the whole by. Chairman, I'm starting free order with that. I'm starting free the head of communication, the national Chief Akwaba. We have a code here. Your reactions, first of all, your reactions. Two videos and a demonstration across the drive.
Nedi kama minchia Ghana phone chief wa munya kwa yomoshe no production team and my very good friend Captain is been here. Jumani ntaya na mpase minya kwa na mi mbesresra mo. Ba jumani ntaya na yenya kwa emma nti yenya kwa nyesia na eyeni ji amaye. Nami who anope enya dia hadwin, and I am sad. And did this Ghana for the do share video, no, they will be sad. And the demonstration now we and Rano has exposed the people that NPP is. Omutsubai no money money did krum hano. It has exposed them. Same Kwalanki to I was Muku school.
How many carry for some of them?
Fine. At their age, minus we Wontumi Tróuble, Namwako, you take advantage of their situation. For the fact that Wall Street is so you take advantage of that. Abenjun mube dada and Kwalanki tinkitu we say muba mubesi hotel amo mukaya ye ni. That hotel no way. Mukofa openya ne krum obia ni say trokatrama ne dana num that dan kofo say restaurant ni bi ye si hotel amaka yi for mo si hotel na ma mo be on beda na problem for 8 good years. Mu wia you are not taking advantage of them. Na wo dada mo say wo du mo ko baby. No we say wo du mo Kwabena Street so muye demonstration amu ninjina sobia. Because nobody was ready to listen to them. And I would like to call on the law, agencies, the law enforcement agencies say the leaders of this demonstration, they must call them and investigate them.
Why? For what?
Why? Uko fan kwala manos na what that down mo say odu ko MBB ko to omo. I mean demonstration, so I was saying Detroit that and Forson and Street so Kwamachana. Is that where we've gotten to? Ghana for now who NPP ni Nkofo amukọ violation kwaye to trust board to a board member of parliament asum. Ane eyensane eda wa ekaya history hu say abato nti ye boaso tro tutu bu nipa nan. Ye ka say nkofo na omodo kọ ho no where langars, drug addicts, unemployed militants of NPP no mo say eboa and then in that one was it red Tróuble do a ye oben we fight said drug abuse ye hia dwumadia omo mabu no salam edi enim edi no a national youth organizer who sorry instead of you to see how you sanitize the system, sanitize the youth. So on pay my pay no mundes pay edi. So that the Omenba who said they are future leaders, you know. Almost red and no moon, almost no new year, then you move them to the street to go and misbehave. That is the kind of leaders they have. And yes, NPP for a nation wreckers. These are the reasons. And yes, will be Taumo and a dinner the two musukeke a musubai or muniye. And it is clear today. It is graphic for everyone to see some of what we or musubai ni. Adia obiaya subaya ya edisi suban bonino. For them they demonstrate. Or say coach your master. So Musa our nickname or the man. Coach your man say you take red, you take drugs and move to the street, all to worry us. But for me, I don't blame them. You see, Dominic Ayine, Attorney General, maybe Obia Michiano, na mjidi se wotini. Oye NDC ni mapati seme. Aben we ba power no. Ghana for ewo GD ewo yemo. Na mjidi se GD a Ghana for the man no. Sa GD no the goodwill of the Ghanaian people is still there. And the appointments are President Mahama no. Onye mistake. President Mahama appointments now obia se odubabu man we no. It's fantastic. Obia so bonu humbody. Mistake bia nim. Na mjidi say mistake bia so ma. Meaning say Ghanaians expect a lot from us. Hey, yes, say who say asema siwe ana obintin we na eba wia wo. Na want man chino. Ade cha na wonenam. Ana wonim say asema ti obintin na wia wo. Na wo de na court. Na emra janipa na wonenam hu na na hu say wonenam. Nso wonim say osika won botom. It's very painful, it's devastating. And I'm appealing. It's just an humble appeal. I believe some may think maybe I'm criticizing my own government. That is not it. And even if I criticize my own government, it means I'm a man of principle. Yes. When you criticize, you see, you need to criticize yourself so that you can reset. If someone criticizes you, now
you are talking.
You should challenge yourself. You need to give yourself a challenge. So that you sit down, look at your interrogator and purge yourself.
So Dominic,
so that you can be fit in the society. So Honorable Dominic Ayine, but I feel say Ghanaians are expecting more from us. I agree. The wheel of justice granted slowly. But we are also aware. I'm not a lawyer and I don't pretend to be one. Justice delay is justice denied. 8 years of terror that Ghanaians went through under the corrupt, the fantastically corrupt Akufo Addo Bawumia administration is something that is hunting people. And people want to see people being punished. In fact, corruption under Akufo Addo Bawumia must be taught as a lesson. The only way
no, Mike, so between
me say the corruption of Akufo Addo Bawumia administration must be taught as a lesson
in our schools.
No, in the system in this country.
Okay.
When people are punished, then corruption is taught as a lesson. And now Akufo Bonia Ombeye Galamsey and Akufo Beye I will go say you better Galamsey asam so. And you see, their attempt to criticize this government on the mess has given us opportunity in government say expose more. I'm a Ghana for home.
All right.
So for me, I am not happy as individual. as individual, as Chris Dugan, I am not happy with the way and manner prosecutions delay. I am not happy. Shabi, akukudru ankofo wenya ye na street so aye boy okukukuku te say Goliath. If 2-3 people were sent to prison in Sawam now, I know a time I'm moving down street so no, they should have used that time to go and visit some of their colleagues in Sawam. Tendro be sorry and I was so on Sawam visiting the colleagues. I don't think they will have that precious time to come and waste our time. Say a street so to mislead the people of this country. The good work President Mahama and NDC is doing. At the whole clear.
Remember back to the Galamsey issue because still now the fight is ongoing.
Yes.
But Galamsey is munyaye.
Look, a important issue. So Mami call Galamsey.
No, Obekoso.
Okay.
Okay, what the old was we are not captain.
You see, Onim. I want to be very careful with the kind of words I want to use. That's why I pause some more. The audacity of NPP of criticizing President Mahama and NDC government of not fighting Galamsey is nothing but it is preposterous.
I see.
Yeah, it's nothing but preposterous. Why should they talk about Galamsey? They should be the last people to talk about Galamsey.
I didn't say.
Almost 8 years of Akufo Addo Bawumia government. They should tell us measures ben omudi toho. The first time Mimi who said Nkofo Jidamo the corruption ekai etafro omusa. Corruption sika de aka yankai. First time. Nkofo jisika corruption sika ekai tafro such as BCU. Say so and so was under Akufo Addo Bawumia Galamsey fight process.
All case cannot afraid.
Not afraid, sir. So and so.
Corruption.
We saw it. Corruption. He had the audacity. He was bold enough. Wakaya say so now was out afraid say back we saw it. And young Krizuga Neka was under Akufo Addo Bawumia administration. Galamsey who siko, Galamsey who damwadi. What was the goodwill? Ye wo omemu hane ye who say Mineral Commission at the krata ababontin say akunta mining dwumadi a wodi krom ha no eye Galamsey eye illegal mining. Emma the sector minister Abujinapo esad ba peace say eye Galamsey no omoye. All of a sudden, President Akufo Addo became the spokesperson, director of communication. To say me the director of communication was NLE, no, was the director of communication. Akumta mining. In addition to his position as president, Ekasama yena who say Akumta mining. Wontumi die. Na illegal mining no muye. Responsible man in the normal.
But Chris, so Mibeka said the results is what we saw in the just ended elections. And see, you have the overwhelming support of the Ghanaian people. Say NPP and me 8 months, 9 months ongoing. Still now, you might go so ekoso. Now, Attorney General has the power to prosecute some individuals or more getting themselves into this illegal mining activity. It is still marking time.
So what is he doing about that?
What is he doing? Yes.
You see, let me give you a short answer. NDC is not above reproach. President Mahama government is not above reproach. We are not saying people should not criticize. But the people, the NPP people should be the last people to criticize us. 8 years of mess. It is preposterous for them to think, say, Adi Amudi 8 years, I say, you want us to use nine months to solve it. And then me tell Bawumia spokesperson. I'm not surprised he's called Miracle. I'm not surprised he's called Miracle. So because he's Miracle, he wants us all to miraculously change the mess that they've caused for 8 years. He is called miracle. And yet President Mahama is not called miracle.
God is a miracle worker.
And I may say, I am not surprised he's called miracle. Say no, called Central Region. So call your press conference. 8 years. I'm saying you wanted to use 9 years miraculously to solve it. So that is not possible. Look, on the press conference.
Yes.
So he has forgotten that he's the only man called miracle. We are not called miracle. So we can miraculously change 8 years of mess. We can't use 9 months to solve it. It's a process. And within these 9 months, the government has demonstrated clearly the measures we are putting in place. Uba Abemu 8 years. From President Rollins, President Mahama first time now end the year. Lances are an issue in Kofoso small scale mining. Wasn't up to even 500. Within 8 years of NPP government, they issued 2,151 licenses to people who should go and do small scale mining. Were you telling them to go and mine on trees? Did you even regulate them?
I see.
No single license has been given to any individual at Konguru mining. No single. I challenge them. You are forming NIMOs. Many can say NIMOs, Eduma or Muya, very effective. President has given orders through my boss, Honorable Felix Fosukwachi, and he has issued a communique on that. Say, you have a permanent military base over these hotspot illegal mining sites.
I see.
So that we can combat the mess.
I see.
These are measures government is putting in place.
So
on the issue of prosecution, Wontumi, what's Bob now? What's the Ghana for? Who saying you? No one Ghana who for Ghana for saying Babon and saying you. Like I said, I am equally worried. Say, Yedinatum, Yamani bill. I say, I di. Meaning say, any process are ongoing.
I see.
Further and better particulars have been put in place so that the prosecution can begin. But however, we are in a hurry. Look, the pain, the agony, the atrocities that Wontumi and NPP government has caused Ghanaians, time niwa ombetma train. I agree. That's why I'm calling on Attorney General Dr. Dominic Ayine. At least speed be wow he should gather the energy more.
All right.
And fast track things for Ghanaians to see. Because prosecution, we cannot wait for it. Yet to mean the Christmas, and we say we cannot at least one or two people must have their Christmas sentence at home. Because say we can say verdict of 2024 I show.
Yeah.
Yes. We must show the Ghanaian people that the verdict of 2024 elections, wasn't for a joke. It was for a reason.
Okay.
The verdict has proven that people who came to destroy the forest reserve, to destroy our water bodies, to undermine the Ghanaian people, Emra no more di pepepe.
Okay.
But more beyond say, oh, it's as usual. It's business as usual. I didn't there. Bibiansi. Me can say 2028. By 7 December 2028. If we did not prosecute and sentence people on corruption, the bad thing they came and did this country, make Rizugan. Who say me to radio so na TV so na me kasa asre me.
Oh, that's right. They say they meet me as.
I have said it and I won't.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.